The Forest Department of Dharmanagar subdivision in North Tripura district unearthed two illegal sawmills of Shera wood from two houses of Ward number 4 of East Phulbari village panchayat on Wednesday. Ranger Hemendra Debnath of Dharmanagar subdivision and in charge of Churaibari forest beat with a team of forest personnel and a police team from the Churaibari police station jointly raided the house of Suruj Ali and recovered a large pile of Shera wood illegally stored in the house. Later, the house of one Zamir Ali was raided and an illegal sawmill of Shera wood was similarly spotted. While the seized materials are in the custody of the Dharmanagar Range Office, forest officials haven't been able to arrest the respective owners of the two houses.